In this video, I'll show you how I make my take on a chicken Kiev. Chicken encased in a crunchy breadcrumb with butter, garlic and cheese molten filling. It's juicy inside, crunchy outside, and honestly, one of those amazing dishes that isn't that hard to put together.
Wow.
First up, for the filling. Take just over half a bulb of garlic and blend it finely. As well as a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of salt, 100 grams of butter, and 70 grams of mozzarella. And I almost forgot to add a splash of olive oil, as well as a couple of tablespoons of Parmesan. Now mash it up with a fork until it's a smooth putty. Now for the chicken. You'll need 4 chicken fillet breasts. Slice off each fillet, flatten them gently with a spoon until it's flat and a few millimeters thick, but be careful not to go too hard on these or you'll risk putting a hole in them. Make a shallow cut down the middle of the breast, not too deep, about midway, and leave the ends free. Then make long horizontal incisions working the sides, the top and the back, until you've got a sizable pocket. Sometimes when cutting, a hole will emerge. So just flatten another tiny scrap of chicken and patch the hole, and that will stop the butter escaping later. Now stuff the pocket full of the filling and pop on the flattened fillet, tucking the edges in tight. For the coating, you'll need about 3 slices of dried bread. You can toast your bread and blend it, but if it's not quite dry enough and the crumbs are too big and clumping together, just pop them on a plate, microwave it for a minute or 2, and then let the crumbs dehydrate and then blend them again until fine. Next, you'll need 2 whisked eggs and a bowl of cornflour. Now what we want to do is dredge the chicken breasts in cornflour, then roll them in beaten egg, and then roll them in breadcrumbs, pressing down a little and ensuring that the breasts are fully coated. Finally, heat the oil, not screaming hot, but around 175 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and fry for about 6 to 7 minutes. Now, if you listen to the oil, if the bubbling suddenly gets louder, it means that butter is sneaking out. And this means that the contents is melting. So you want to wait another minute or 2 after this, and they'll be fully ready to pull out. Finally, drain and plate up, slice in half, and just watch that beautiful filling flow.
Wow.
So that's it. If you like this video, feel free to give it a like and a subscribe. It really helps to get the video out there to the people that would like to see it. And for any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment. I read every single one. And as always, there'll be more culinary adventures to come, but until then, I'll see you in the next video.